Good evening, everyone. My name is Moody Ifeoluwa, and I will be talking about farm tools. My matric number is 15/25PC085, and I would like to talk about the farm tools. Here are the behavioral objectives that at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to define farm tools, state the importance, list the examples and state their uses, state how to maintain the tools the tools in the farm. We have the meaning of farm tools. In our farming system now, farm tools can also be referred to as simple tools. Farm tools are tools used to do work easier and faster on the farm. It can also mean instruments we use in farm to aid us in farm work, thereby making it very easy. We have importance of farming tools. Here are the importance of farming tools. Number one, it saves times and labor. It makes our work easier and faster. It is easy to use. They help in the cultivations of crops. They help to clear unwanted plants on farm, e.g. You have the wheelbarrow, you have the basket, you have the hoe, and lastly you have the spade. You have in the above example that I have listed above. Here we will talk about their functions. Firstly, we will choose the cutlass. Cutlass. Cutlass is short and is sharp. Cutlass is short and is sharp on the cutting edge. Cutlass is used to cut weeds. It's used to scare off large predators. It's also used to prune trees. Here is a diagram of cutlass, how it look like. This is the wooden edge, and this is the metal end. The second one, we are going to talk about the garden fork. The garden fork. A long handled fork used for digging soil in situation when using a spade may be difficult. Garden fork is also used for turning the soil over to make it more workable. Here is a diagram of a garden fork. A garden fork diagram. Number 3, we will be talking about a shovel. Shovel. Shovel is used for moving soil, granular materials, cleaning ditches. It works best for scooping soil and leveling base for seal roof and steps. Here is a diagram of how shovel looks like. Here we will be talking about rake. Rake. A long rake is a long handed tools used to create a fine tooth for a seed bed, to level it out and to gather up surface stones. type of holes to do the right job. You have the broad hoe. Broad hoe is used to dig holes for planting or cutting through weeds. It has a larger blade. Broad hoes has a larger blade. They has a larger blade. Another example is the shuffle hoe, used for cutting out weeds. Another example is the warren hoe, used for working in a small space. It has a smaller triangular blade. There are difference in all this type of hoe. Broad hoe it is used to cut through width and it's very large. It has a very large blade. The shuffle hoe is just used to cut through width. It has a normal blade, and the one hoe is very small that can be used anywhere in a small working space. Here are the diagrams of the type of hoes that we have. Here is the diagram of the broad hoe, and here is the diagram of the shuffle hoe, and here is the diagram of the warren hoe. And we have the spade. Here is the diagram of the spade. Spade is used to dig and move soil when planting. It has a flat regular blade that allows someone to dig with precision. It can be used to make holes for planting trees, shrub, and large grouping of perennial and hedge along a garden. Here is a diagram of the spade. Spade can be used to pack soil and to do many things manually in our house and in our farm. In the concluding part, here it talks about the few points on how we can maintain our farm tools after or before use. Number one, they must be kept in a cool and dry place. Number two, they must be sharpened before and after use. The metal part should be oiled and greased to prevent rusting. And the wooden handles should be well set, because the wooden handle should be well set, should be strong and durable. If defective, they should be replaced. The moving parts should be oiled and greased regularly. What this place is trying to tell us is that how to maintain our tools before or after use. Maintenance of tools before or after use. How we can maintain our tools before or after use. These are the points on how we can maintain our tools before or after use. Number one, they must be kept in a cool and dry place. In a cool and dry place where they will last long. They must be sharpened before and after use. Before you can use your tools, you must first sharpen it, and after using it you must sharpen it. The metal part should be oiled and greased to prevent rusting. Everybody knows that a metal do rust and iron do rust, so for us to prevent it from rusting, we must oil it and grease it regularly. The wooden handle should be well set. So that it can be easy to use anytime, and it should be strong and durable, and if there is any defective, they should be replaced immediately. The moving parts should be oiled and greased regularly. And these are the diagram of how our tools are being maintained. We can see someone using a machine to scrap off the rusting part of the spade, and we can see it after you have scrap it off. You can see how clean it is, as if it has they just buy a new one. So these are how we can maintain our tools so that it can last long and it can be durable. I hope you guys were able to understand all this. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.